I should be the one to thank you. Because of you, I'm here now. I'm about to see my mom again. I owe it to you.
Si Holly, actually, mas malaki yung utang na loob mo sa kanya. Siya naman yung may ideya nito eh. Napilitan lang ako.
Still, I should thank you.
Alam mo, tsaka ka na mag-thank you kapag nahanap na natin yung nanay mo. Okay? Tara, sundan mo na ako.
Mom? Mom!
Josh!
I'm sorry, miss. Akala ko mom kita.
Josh! Ano ba kasing ginagawa mo? Suot mo nga yung shades mo. Dali!
I'm sorry. I thought I saw my mom.
Kahit pa, dapat nag-ingat ka. Alam mo naman na anytime pwedeng may makita sa'yo dito, di ba? Naintindihan mo ba ako?
Yes, I understand. Stop talking to me like that.
Like what?
You're treating me like a child.
Eh kasi para kang bata. Napaka-immature mo.
I'm not immature. I just wanted to see my mom.
Eh sino bang may ayaw? Kung meron mang may gustong makita mo na ang nanay mo, ako yon. Gusto ko nang matapos ang responsibilidad ko sa'yo para makauwi na ako sa amin.
Why are you like that? You're always angry with me. Wala naman akong ginagawan masama sa'yo.
Dahil nakakainis ka.
Do you really think I'm a burden on you? Are you just pushing me away because you're falling in love with me?
Nandito ako, umito ako.
Pinagsasabi mong feelings. Love na yan.
Admit it, Anya. You're falling in love with me. You're falling for me, and you can't accept it. Am I right? Huh?